In today's video, I will teach you how to use the adjustment brush in Lightroom. Let's get started. The adjustment brush in Lightroom is a powerful tool for making selective edits to specific areas of your photos. It allows you to apply custom adjustments like exposure, contrast, saturation, and more, giving you precise control over your edits. To use the adjustment brush, open Lightroom and go to the Develop module. In the right-hand panel, locate and click on the adjustment brush icon, or simply press K on your keyboard. Before painting, you can customize your brush. You can adjust the brush size to match the area that you want to edit. You can either use the slider or scroll your mouse wheel to change it. Feather controls how soft the brush edges are going to be. A higher feather creates a smooth transition. Flow determines how quickly the effect is applied as you paint. And density limits the maximum strength of the effect in a single pass. Now we're going to select an adjustment. In the Effect drop-down, choose the adjustment that you want to apply. Common options include exposure, contrast, clarity, temperature, and saturation. And you can combine multiple adjustments by tweaking several sliders. Now we're going to paint over the desired area. To do this, simply click and drag to paint over the area that you want to adjust. As you paint, the adjustment will be applied. To visualize the area that you've painted, check the Show Selected Mask Overlay box, or simply press O on your keyboard to see the mask as a red overlay. And if you painted outside of the intended area, click Erase in the adjustment brush settings and paint over the mistakes. And to fine-tune the mask, use the Auto Mask checkbox to help Lightroom detect edges and refine your mask more accurately. After painting, you can modify the strength of your adjustments by clicking on the pin that represents the adjustment that you just made. You can adjust the sliders in the adjustment brush panel to tweak the effect further. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.